Okay, something very scary just happened to all of our cryptos. This is not clickbait. In some way, it's actually one of the craziest emergencies we've had in a while. This is no joke. Press that like button. So over the past 30 minutes, a lot of announcements have been coming out about South Korea. With the news announcement being breaking news, the all-Korean won trading pairs on Korean exchanges suddenly began to plummet, with Bitcoin even falling to about $80,000 and XRP falling to $1.89. They are now recovering. And the crazier part is, usually on these Korean exchanges, they're all trading at a premium. So for these coins to be trading at a massive discount is something that I don't think I've ever seen. Maybe for minutes, but generally speaking, have never seen. So a Korean Telegram group or user, whatever, shared what the prices look like over there. And it's absolutely crazy how much it got destroyed in a very short amount of time. Now, I can't perfectly read exactly what this means, but all I know is that this is not good. But some additional updates were shared accordingly. And again, guys, make sure you press that like button if you're also enjoying these daily crypto videos and updates. It may be related to the martial law declared by the South Korean president. Currently, all cryptocurrency exchanges in South Korea are down and trading is almost impossible. Bitcoin actually, because I put on Twitter saying Bitcoin fell to 70,000. Some guy said, wrong, shut your ass up. Bitcoin fell to as low as $66.5 thousand, and XRP fell to as low as $1.16 in Korean exchanges. South Korea's largest exchange, 𝗕𝗏𝗀, issued an announcement stating that 𝗕𝗏𝗀 applications, Android, iOS, and Open API services are currently suspended due to the temporary increase in traffic and experiencing delays. So I don't know exactly, to be honest with you, what just happened. I mean, there are some claims of corruption from the president, but the fact that Bitcoin just dropped like, what, 30%, XRP just dropped like 40, 50% or whatever in just a snap, because you got to understand, normally it trades at a premium. Right now it's trading at a massive discount. And the nice part about it is this, generally speaking, means you're getting yourself a good dip buying opportunity. I mean, if you were here fast, you could have bought the freaking dip like a maniac, as the XRP price went to like $2.25 on our exchanges as well. Let's for fun quickly check, right? Where do coins go to? So Bitcoin just now on the traditional exchanges also went to low as 93.7. I actually decided to buy some XRP, but I was slightly too late as I was playing sports. You know, sometimes I also go outside. Unfortunately, because the only moment, this is the luck that I've got, right? The luck that I've got in this world. The only moment, oh, see, even the camera starts lagging up. The only moment I decide that it's time to do something else, time to stop live streaming and go outside, touch some grass, play some sports, that's when we get the craziest crash that I've seen in a long time, huh? Just real quick before we move on, guys, if you've not done it yet, I am right now running a $1,000 giveaway over on 𝗏𝗏𝗀. It ends in like 5 hours. So make sure you join right now. Link is down below. Also, the more you trade, the more rewards you get. You just find everything with the link down below. Just check it out right now. It's where we're trading on. Anyway, so you can't see the XRP position on here. These are our other trades. But man, right? This would have been really, really juicy if we would have been able to buy the freaking dip at like $2.27. I just bought at $2.48 or 49, maybe something like that. This could have already been an amazing trade, because obviously I've still got the confidence that I had before. Even right now, $2.50. Like a few hours ago, you would have wished you could have bought back there. So I'm just, quickly pointing that out. I'm not saying we're going to continue up higher, because maybe this FUD is going to kind of circulate around a little bit. But the fact that Bitcoin just bounced back like nothing really happened, and most of our coins are still doing quite amazing, I'm thinking, well, maybe it was just that. Ultimately, the general news has been quite bullish when it comes to Trump, for example, replacing Gary Gensler here tomorrow. We got some more bullish news everywhere. I mean, one negative piece was France's tax on Bitcoin, but let's quickly see, right? On December 2nd, South Korea witnessed an unprecedented surge in retail cryptocurrency trading, reaching 18 billion and surpassing the local stock market's trading volume by 22%. This boom was fueled by high momentum tokens such as XRP, DOGE, ENS, 𝗏𝗏𝗀, and XRP leading with a trading volume of $6.3 billion US. This event underscores a significant shift in investor preference towards crypto, but they're being bullish about it in this little department, even though in actuality, let's see here. Whoa, wait a minute. For the first time ever, XRP's trading volume has exceeded the combined volumes of Ethereum and Bitcoin on Coinbase. So XRP has been traded more. Wait, really? Let's see that real quick. I don't even, really? See, let's take a look at volume. Now, in general, XRP's volume is very much below Bitcoin's still. This still has not updated though. Let's quickly see if this updates to $2.50 or something like that. Because I don't think we're at $2.70 anymore. It's not updating. Day of the life, huh? Here we go. Yeah, no, it's still actually below it. Anyway, this news from Korea. This is going crazy. South Korean president declares martial law in surprise late night address broadcast live on YTN. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol declared martial law, citing threats from anti-state forces. Details on enforcement remain unclear. What does this mean for South Korea? Well, at least that people sold their Bitcoin real quick, I guess, huh? And I'm guessing they didn't sell because they lost faith, but mostly because their connection to these exchanges might have been messed up or something along those lines. Maybe their accounts were going to get blocked, maybe something like that. Anyway, in Korea, indeed, XRP is now traded more than everything else, which is kind of funny. The XP trading volume of Upbit surpasses the total trading volume of the entire Kospi market. Is that the Korean stock market? Anyway, this is what I've been warning you guys about for a while, though. I've been warning in every video that what hurt back in 2021 more than the entire bear market was flash crashes and things of that sort. You don't remember, but there was one time in here, I can't pinpoint, I think it might have been this week right here in May, that I lost more money than anything that I'll ever witness again in my life, I think. Why? Because it was a flash crash. Many alts went down like 60 whatever % in a day. And in the bull, especially when things are just this bullish, you don't expect to go down that much in a day. So you wreck all your positions because of a crazy flash crash like that. Just like how today we went down by such a... Man, I'm still thinking about it right now. That XRP went from $2.90 to $2.20. So like 23% down. It's kind of a flash, but it's not really a flash crash in comparison to what we saw in Korea right now. But damn, this is interesting. It says right here that Bitcoin actually went as low as $61,000, with many altcoins also dropping 30 to 40%. Bitcoin weekend is $62,000, so a real flash crash of whoa, right? That is really, 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 really crazy. I really think someone must have loved this to be able to pick up Bitcoin for as low as that. A lot of people must hate it their life. Whoever sold it like 60,000 a Bitcoin is probably not feeling himself right now. But that is just some ridiculous news, man. Whoa, 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 huh? Whoa, 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 whoa. Anyway, this news could have given you a very, very good entry into the crypto market again. We got ourselves a little flush of sorts. It will take some time before most people realize that this happened, but the general money has already bought in, most likely at the bottom. At the bottom, a couple $1,000 or about $1,000 cheaper so for Bitcoin. A lot of alts fell hard. Man, I can't believe it went to $63,000 on Upbit though, going from like $100,000 to $93,000. Sorry, $63,000. A real 30 to 40% crash. Really? That much, huh? And it makes you realize, man, everything is quite fragile. If you're right now witnessing life-changing amounts of money, like I always say, make sure you change your life. A few more hours until I'm doing my giveaway over on Blowfin. If you also want to trade with us, make sure you check out the link down below to Blowfin. You can get some rewards as well for trading. Just check it out. Link is down below. And all I'm saying is congratulations to everybody who bought the dip and who didn't get scared. But probably if I look through my comments right now, I'll get a lot of messages saying, Dusty, what just happened? Well, here you go. The market's back, baby. The crazy times are ahead of us. And I'm so freaking ready.